Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious fish taco. Once you're going to make it, you're going to love it. And how do I make a tasty and delicious fish taco? That I'm going to share with you today. In order to make it a tasty and delicious fish taco, you need fried fish. And how do I make fried fish? I have a poster video on my channel as a fish pakoda. Then we need a corn tortillas. Rest of the ingredients will be cheese. I'm using cheddar cheese. You can use any type of cheese. Onion, lemon, olive, sour cream, salsa, tomato. I wanted to share a tip with you. When you're cutting the tomato, take out the pulp. When you're going to make a taco, then it will taste better this way. Then cilantro, which is dhania, and salad. First we're going to heat up the tortilla, then I'll share with you the next step. Get a griddle, and this is what I do with the tortillas. If you look at, it's nicely steamy, hot, and it's fully cooked. Once we get the tortilla, put it on a griddle and on medium heat, cook it. Once it starts bubbling up a little bit, it starts changing color, then you flip it. It doesn't take that long. Or you can do it this way. Put it directly on the top of the burner. That way it will cook also, but I prefer on a griddle. So when we do it on a griddle, if you notice that it cooks evenly. With the burner, it cooks real fast. I prefer this way. As you've seen, I have so many done. So let's just start making our fish taco. So now we're going to prepare the fish taco. So when you're making fish taco, it's always good idea put two. They are still steaming. This is the way I make it. When I make it, my boys, they really love it. So when you make it your way, the way you want to make it. So first I'm going to bring the fish. If the fish pieces are like this big, just break it. Make it a little smaller. This is a good thing when you make it at home, you can add as much as you want. And trust me, once you're going to make it, you're going to like it. So this is good. And now we're going to add all other ingredients. We're going to add good amount of cheese. I'm going to make it really big one, and you can add less or more, whatever you prefer. I'm using red color. You can use any white color, yellow color, whatever you prefer. The tip is when you cut these onions, cut into real small tiny pieces like this. I love olives. So it's a personal choice. If you like olives on your taco, please add it. Now we're going to add salad. Look at these. So these are going to be huge, big tacos. Now we're going to add tomatoes. So if you like tomatoes, please add it. If you don't like tomato, don't add it. We're going to add the sour cream. Wow, this is so good. And salsa. Whatever you prefer, medium, hot, mild, it's your call. And lastly, cilantro, which is dhania. So our fish taco is all ready and served with lemon. When I eat taco, I always like lemon. Our quick and easy and very tasty fish taco is all ready. Please try it, and prior to serving, if you like lemon juice, I like lemon on my tacos. And I'm going to try it. And this is huge, big. So I'm going to try it. And this is super delicious. So if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. So good. Very tasty.